We're on the road again. Turning out to be a day today. Just got rid of the old jailbird. Yeah, I'm all right. Don't worry about me. I'll be fine. It's like breaking up with a girlfriend or something. It's just a Jeep, for crying out loud. Anyways, we're headed over to the Verkin Overlook for a two-wheel drive Ford Ranger. It's gotten themselves in a little bit of a mess. So they're just high-centered on a couple rocks there at the end of the campground, and we'll go get them pulled back on the road again. And we will take you along for the ride. Good morning. How are you?
No one wanted to tow me out. They were afraid they were going to get stuck also. So I asked a few people, but...
Well, we should be able to get you out. If not, we'll turn around and give you a little bit out. We should be able to get you out of there, no problem.
That's a huge relief. What a bunch of cute dogs you have. Laura?
So what I'll probably do is I'll have you drive it.
Okay.
And I'll just kind of give you a nice gentle pull up here, and if I have any problems, we'll reassess and do another game plan. See if we can find something to hook to. It's kind of sharp. Should be all right though. Okay, you want to just fire it up and I'll...
Sounds good.
Sig 'em! There they go. Look at them go. That wasn't too big of a deal. We got out there on the Verkin Overlook, and we did find a two-wheel drive Ford Ranger down a hole. She was come in last night after dark and followed the road in there and ended up doing a little loop in an area she probably shouldn't have been in, but that's how it goes in an unfamiliar area. So we don't beat him up, we just go out there and get the job done, get him back on the road again. That wasn't too big of a deal. I just hooked up a 20-foot rope and used a soft shackle and a hard shackle on the lug on the Jeep bumper. So we're gonna work our way back out of here and let the dogs run. Got Missy and old Poppy out there running away, having a good old time. So thanks for coming along for the ride.